Hey everybody, it's Pamela Moraver here coming to you from Richmond, Virginia. Today I'm going to be reviewing $0 profits. I'm going to tell you about all the bonuses that I'm offering and take you to the sales page and take you inside the members area to let you know what $0 profits is all about. So let's get started. This is the sales page. And it says the world's fastest and easiest breakthrough for automated commissions from free traffic and our fast track software. It drives autopilot commissions in just 4 easy steps. And let's see, those steps are searching your niche, finding your keywords, getting your done for you content and monetizing it, submitting your content to the 4 free traffic sources that they have for you. And then number 4 is just rinse and repeat as many times as you would like. Okay, this is a set it and forget it type of program. The done for you content brings in automated commissions like clockwork. There's multiple income streams because you have 4 traffic sources. And it's newbie friendly. No technical skills are required. It's easy cut and paste content unless you get it done for you. And she wants you to know it's against the rules to guarantee results, but she wants to say this proven system has consistently worked for real users. $0 Profits puts a unique new twist on one of the internet's best money-making methods, affiliate marketing, and combines it with 4 powerful free traffic sources for an unstoppable profit machine that runs like clockwork. So if you pick up $0 profits today through my link, which is in the description, you're going to get a bunch of bonuses. So let's get to those bonuses. These bonuses are provided by Jono Armstrong. He's my mentor. I'm in his club, in his program, Ministry of Freedom, which you can also get to via the link in my description. So the first bonus for picking up $0 profits is access to SEO Studio tutorial by Jono Armstrong. And bonus number 2 is a tutorial learning how to get better conversions by Jono Armstrong. Bonus number 3 is a tutorial that you will learn how to drive traffic to your products, again by Jono Armstrong. And bonus number 4, access to the High Ticket Mastery course by Jono Armstrong. And bonus number 5 is the vendor's bonuses. And she does have a couple of good bonuses that are also provided by Jono Armstrong. Jono is, I think now an 8-figure affiliate marketer. And he's well-versed in affiliate marketing, can tell you everything you need to know to run your own affiliate marketing business. So next, let's go into the membership area. This is the membership area here for $0 profits. This is the vendor in the video. Her name is Dawn. She's going to give you a welcome video, take you an overview of the product, tell you about the required tools you need, tell you how to get set up, go through the method of searching your niche, or niche, however you want to say it, and the getting the content together. There's 3 videos on that. Unless you get the done for you content, then you don't have to do it, which is what we all want, right? Then here are the 4 traffic sources, all free. So Don says there's no need for buying paid ads, that you can use these free traffic sources and get your commissions in like clockwork. Then there's a conclusion video. Then there's a video on how to get the fast track software, which is involved with ClickBank. And then there's a couple of bonuses, like I said, that are provided by Jono Armstrong as well. She's also going to lead you right here to Jono Armstrong's free 10K blueprint webinar, which is a pretty good deal. You can either get to it through the members area or through the link in my description. And this is where you can join $0 Profits Facebook group to get support and ask questions. So like I said, also you need to know that the bonuses are only available till Saturday at midnight, and that is going to be February 5th. February 5th, Saturday, the bonuses will come down. So you do want to go ahead and pick this up. Let me tell you about the upsells. There's 3 upsells. The first one is the Done For You content, where you get 5 of the best-selling PFDs, Instagram posts, and Pinterest posts. That gives you a clue to where some of that traffic's coming from. And it's $67, or you can do the exit intent, like you see my mouse, like you're going to exit, and a coupon will drop down. You can get that for $47. Same thing on upsell number 2, 7-figure mastery course, $197 or $97 when you just swipe up with your mouse and that coupon will drop down. That's learning how to build your own profitable online business step by step. Then upsell number 3 is going to be license rights to $0 Profits, where you can sell it as if it were your own product. And that's $197 or $97 if you swipe up and get that coupon. So if you like this video, hit that like button and subscribe to my channel so you'll get notified whenever I put out another video just like this. Thanks, guys.